Keeping mission-critical assets optimized for peak performance is no small matter in manufacturing, and your busy production schedule may let regular maintenance tasks slip through the cracks. At AbeTech, we love solving difficult manufacturing problems with best-in-class technology solutions completely customized around your unique mission-critical challenges. With our partners at Zebra Technologies, we deploy highly flexible RFID solutions that take all the headaches out of asset management, from tracking and locating assets to simplifying complex maintenance schedules. AbeTech can also help you transform your tracking and management capabilities for other items, devices, and endpoints throughout your facility, since RFID provides area-based visibility of when items are used, moved, or calibrated. The information you can track on each asset is almost unlimited, giving you the ability to make informed business decisions and increase productivity. So if you're ready to simplify all aspects of asset management and eliminate manual processes, give AbeTech a call today.